page. Here we are now finally launching the Link Manager. The Link Manager is a tool which will help you to audit any branch which is located in Zambia. Okay, this will help you to know what is going on for each branch. As finance manager, you are actually responsible for all these issues. There is no way you can wait until month end, for the simple report to be emailed to you. No, you have all these resources which you can use. CA Premier have advanced way of auditing these accounting entries. Okay, all you needed to do is log in and use the Link Manager. What you do before you do that, you need to ask each branch to every day to email you the database. So once you receive the database, all you needed to do is you go on the desktop there, right? Okay. Okay. So on the desktop there, for example, maybe we have Kitwe branch. Okay. Once you get the database through, which is called accounts through an email, you just slot it in the folder called maybe Kitwe branch, like the way I've done it there. That's all what you need. Okay. Then now, how are you going to access that information which is there? You don't need to worry for anything. CA Premier has all those tools which are at your disposal. All the people who are using CA Premier starting from January 2021, they have this facility. Okay, now let's move on and see how it works. All right, so I'll log in, the normal way to my CA Premier here. Okay, let's see how we can use that facility. It's available to anyone. Even if you are not using the VAT version of CA Premier, you have that facility. Okay, so maybe you are using Kwacha or whichever currency, it can be ZAR, USD, pound sterling, or whatever it is, it doesn't matter. So once you log in there, the only thing which is required is to go under security control. Okay, you may wonder why we didn't introduce this facility at the beginning of the year. The reason is simple. We were overwhelmed with too much work. We are working on the SQL Server, which we are launching next week on the 3rd, the 3rd of August. Okay, so that is the reason why we didn't launch it as at 1st January 2021. Okay, now all you needed to do once you reach, we are familiar with this page, the group you are familiar. Once you reach there, it means that you are already there. You go here where it says security control. Have you seen this where it says change backend? Click there. Okay, then you simply come here where it says change the data holding base. You just click there. Okay, you wait there for a little bit. You will see a pop-up window will come. Okay, that pop-up window, it will come automatically. Now you need to trace the folder where you have put the database that came from Kitwe. Okay, you click it. Remember, we had put it on the desktop. Then you look for that folder. So we have this folder called the Kitwe branch. Just open it. Okay, have you seen that I'm able to see my database? Now to link it to that, you just double click it. Allow the software to link it for you. You see this facility is linking. If you check here, it's telling you to say it's linking to that database. You wait. Once it finishes, it will tell you to say it has finished. You wait patiently. Doesn't take more than 3 minutes. Within 2 minutes, it will finish. Not even 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes, it will finish linking. Okay. Have you seen the message? Database links. OCA Premier accounting software tables are linked successfully. That's all. So in this way, it means that now you are not in Lusaka now, you have gone to Kitwe. That's what it means. So whatever you are going to see here, it is purely coming from Kitwe branch. You can view their invoices, you can view their reports, you can do anything. Okay, you can check or whatever you want to check. All issues which you want to query, you can query them. If there are any issues which are not happy with it, you can tell them to reprocess them and send you the database again back until you are happy. Isn't it so nice, this thing? Do you really need to wait for month end to do all these kind of things? You have the software which is seated with you, and you can use the same software which you have to audit the software which is many, many kilometers away within seconds. You can work at home, you can do anything. If you want to work at home, you simply tell the person who is at your place of work or whichever area, whether head office or wherever you are. You can be in the UK, you can be in the US, wherever you are. You simply ask someone to send you the database. You can review everything there. If you want, you can approve vouchers from wherever you are, then send it back. They will simply, the person who is at whatever station will simply copy it and replace it there. That's all. Life goes on. This is the way how it works. You can do anything. If you want, you want to produce an invoice from the client, you can even go there after the invoice is signed, you go with your software there, you can go and print the invoice, you can print the statement, read everything there. This is how simple it is. We knew very well, this is the best way you can go about it, because you may not afford to pay for VPN. VPN is very expensive. Only big organization will manage. But this was created because we knew very well that you may not afford to use VPN, but you may have branches all over the country. Okay, that is the way how you go about it. It's very simple and cheap. Can you imagine? Just doing this, how much money have you spent on the internet? It's literally negligible. You can use, but one thing, if you are going to use you don't have a proper email like a corporate email, do not use Gmail. Gmail doesn't allow this kind of arrangement. You need to open an account with Yahoo. Yahoo is the best, it works very well. If you are using Outlook, that is okay as well. But Yahoo, if you don't have Yahoo, you don't have the Outlook on this other Microsoft related accounts, then the closest email account which you can use is Yahoo. Yahoo will manage, you will be able to get the database without problems, but not Gmail. Gmail will not allow you to do that. So we thought now we can launch this one for you, and this thing, please use it. You have now no excuse to say, I don't even know what they are doing there at the branch. I have to go there. You don't have to go there. You simply tell them to email you the database through your Yahoo account. It ends there. That's all. Okay? That is the way how it is. Use the technology which you have. You can work anywhere. There is COVID-19 this time around. You don't have to be careless on this. Make sure that you use the technology which you have. We have shown you this. We have done our very best to ensure that you do your work anywhere. Now, suppose you don't trust the people at the table. What can you do? Now, instead of getting the database through an email, you can yourself directly copy the database straight away from the branches. Okay, how do you do it? Just use the TeamViewer. You log in there, then copy the database which they are using there, put it on your machine. Once you have worked on it, if you want to paste it back, if there are some changes which you are making, copy it back to the branch. That's all. What money are you going to waste on the network? Nothing, zero. But you are able to control everything. As finance manager, control you are an accountant. You have every right to get this information simply without even wasting your company resources. We will have all these tools. We created these tools specifically for you. For now, this is where I end. We thank you for watching this video. We hope you are going to use this tool effectively starting from tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow is Tuesday. Make sure that where you are not too sure, you call me at 0977 35 24 01. 0977 35 24 01 or 09622 56 277. 09622 56 277. Emails are nectarzambia@gmail.com or